Adamya Chetana, a volunteer charitable trust, has come forward to aid families of Akki-Pikki people who are in distress due to the coronavirus outbreak. Over 4,22,000 food packets were served and around 15,000 kits were also distributed. This organization also reaches out to transgenders and senior citizens. So, my colleague Prajwal Prasad interacted with the volunteers there. So, let's listen in as to what is the work that they are doing for the people.
We are here at Adamya Chetana, and at a time when India is clearly going ahead and battling the deadly COVID-19 virus, we can see the sort of helping hand that is being given out to the society as well. We can see a large number of volunteers who are here packing their food, but also at the same point of time making sure that all the safety precautions are being taken. Headgear is worn, mask is there, and along with that even gloves too are being done, and you can see the way that they have been handling it, and it's in a completely hygienic manner as well. And on a day-to-day basis you have over 15,000 to 20,000 meals that goes on, and around 500 to 1,000 kits, ration kits, which will be given into. And this is the sort of canteen that we are looking at, where they have all been working in a rather mechanical way, in a meticulous manner as well, and all the staffs are being subjected to medical checks to go ahead and make sure that there will be no sort of contracting this deadly virus as well. So this clearly shows the fact that hygiene is being maintained, standards are being maintained, and also if you look at them, social distancing is being clearly maintained over here, because that is definitely the need of the hour when we are going ahead and battling the deadly COVID-19. We have Tejaswini Anantkumar ma'am along with us. Let's go across and speak to ma'am as well. Ma'am, hats off to you first and foremost, because the sort of job that you are doing along with your volunteers, I think it's a splendid work. So what is the sort of work that is going on? What is the sort of numbers that we are looking in terms of ration kits as well as food as well, ma'am?
This is the place where we are cooking food for, today it is 19,600 people. Majority is for lunch, and then we continue the cooking and send the dinner. And only initial 2-3 days our kitchen was closed. Okay. That way last 16 years we have never locked this place. Always we used to cook for children, of course. This time when the curfew was clamped, literally I got so many calls from schools, from the children, from the government. Then we thought all along we've been cooking food for the needy, and this is the real need. What the situation today is, it's a real need. Let's take this as a challenge. When we have an experience of 16 years, when we have so much of a big team of volunteers, why not try? At least following all the rules required for COVID-19, let's try for some 2,000-3,000 people was the idea. But the way volunteers came forward, the way our cooks also said, no, we will do it. If we can't do it now as a social organization, this is the time we need to get into. And we started with 5,000. I think by and large, last couple of days, we said 19,500, maximum 20,000. Beyond it is difficult in this place, so we are able to do it.
Ma'am, there is a saying that goes ahead and clearly says, Annadhata Sukhi Bhava. So clearly that is definitely one thing. But how are you planning to scale up this? Because every day you are going ahead and 19,000 to 20,000 meals you are giving in a day. But have there been calls saying that this is not enough, we need some more meals as well? Have you received sort of calls like that?
I am getting those calls, but see, I can't do everything myself. So scaling up model is create that motivation for other organizations. When Adamya Chetana can do it, why not? They can also do it. So that is the idea. So now many organizations have started cooking. They come here, they find out with us, where are you getting these boxes? Where do you get the vegetables? There are so many issues, for everything. How are you managing vegetable cutting? How do you wash the vegetables? All that now we are telling them, why don't you do it? So we have, by and large, we have saturated now.
Definitely, ma'am. Let that, driving force keep making you do such wonders as well. But also, let's go ahead and speak to those volunteers who are working behind the scenes, our real Corona warriors, our COVID-19 warriors who have been contributing their own bit towards the society. Ma'am, you too have been here. You have been supporting ma'am as well. So clearly going ahead and looking at it, ma'am, what do you want to say about this? Because you come out selflessly. You also have a family, we understand too. But many volunteers coming out along with you as well. So how do you feel to be contributing your bit towards the society?
Well, Adamya Chetana is always on the forefront when there are disasters or issues like this across the state. Again, standing at a nation first mantra, Adamya Chetana volunteers always come up. So when I saw this issue being going on, and when I heard Adamya is also as a point of contact for me to help, I stepped in and I'm doing my bit. Thank you.
So clearly going ahead and looking at it, this is the sort of work which is in place, the sort of workforce, the number of volunteers who are coming in here, and the sheer numbers itself is quite staggering because of the fact that so many of them chose to come here, do their bit for the society too, because it is equally important at any point of time to be doing your bit for the society as well. We have some of the volunteers too. Let's go across and speak to them as well. So first and foremost, hats off for doing such a marvelous work. What do you want to say about it? Because you're packing food as well. So daily, how does your day start off as a volunteer?
Sir, my day is with Adamya Chetana itself only. I daily come and pack here food for the needy people. So Adamya Chetana is doing a great work in this COVID-19 and helping the people who are in need for food. More than 20,000 of food packets are being given to the needy people who requires food for every day. So I am very happy to say that I am a proud volunteer of Adamya Chetana and doing a great work with Dr. Tejaswini Anand Kumar and joining my hands to them.
Thank you. So also now going ahead and looking at the other part of the area where we are also seeing some ration kits which are being packed, and apart from that the food vessels too being packed, because this is an entire process where once the food is packed it will be brought back here in containers and then it will be sent along in these vans and it will be loaded off here too. So going ahead and looking at it definitely seems like a mechanical system is already in place, and you can look at it that there is no sort of glitches too, and every time they load this, and you can see that around easily 20 to 25 such cartons are loaded over here with boxes as well, and you can just take a look at all these volunteers who have come in to do their bit for the society too, and go ahead and contribute for it, because this is definitely important for us to be going and contributing to the society, and this is the best of Bengaluru as to what it clearly has as of now. And moving ahead, organizations like Adamya Chetana coming ahead and contributing that for the society means three important things for us. One, that they stand with the government. Second, social distancing is being maintained and hygiene is also there in place. And thirdly, when it matters the most, and thousands of people, lakhs of people are hungry in Bengaluru, each of these organizations are doing their bit to go ahead and make sure that India will go on and fight COVID-19 successfully. With camera person Sushil, Prajwal Prasad reporting for News 9, Bengaluru.